Hi guys, welcome back to Pinoy Maths. Our topic for this is all about more in logic and proofs, specific in negation in logic. So mga nahirapan ng logic dyan, shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Now we have a question over here. So, number one question, statement, the sun is shining. What is the correct negation? The sun is not shining, the sun shines brightly, the sun is hot, the sun is always shining. Now, guys, if you know the answer, please comment right the answer in the comment section area. But if you don't know the answer, please continue to watch this video para malaman niyo paano ba sagutin to. Now, going back to our topic, before tayo makakasagot niyan, let's have recap or the definition of negation. So, guys, always remember, pag sumasagot po kayo ito, guys, dapat po open-minded. Pero dito siya more networking. Now, guys, ang meaning po ng negation, it's all about more in negation is when we say not before a statement or proposition of P to make the opposite meaning. Again, negation is when we say not. Ibig sabihin sa masayang salita, the opposite meaning lang po. Lalagyan mo ng not lang yung statement. Again, a statement like, the dog is beautiful. Ang negation, the opposite. The dog is not beautiful. Ganun lang po. Lalagyan mo lang po ng not. So, we have example over here. Ang symbol pala muna, guys, the symbol of negation is yung P is the proposition kaninang top, proposition statement na you can answer true or false. So, lalagyan mo ng symbol na ganyan, that's negation of P or not P. And we have example over here, like this. 2 is positive. True. 2 is positive kasi hindi mo negative nakalagay dyan. Ang negation of 2 is positive is the opposite meaning. 2 is not positive. False. Ganun lang ka-easy. Lagyan na po ng not para maging opposite. Now, going back to the question. The sun is shining. Through the learning that we have in our recap, you can really find the right answer in multiple choice. That is letter A. The sun is not shining. It's not the sun is hot. Okay? Now, thank you very much for watching. But by the way, guys, sa mga hindi nakatamang sagot sa number 1, we have number 2 question. Now, sa mga take po ng civil service and let for teacher, the statement, 7 is an odd number. So what is negation? 7 is prime. 7 is not an odd number. 7 is an even number. 7 is greater than 5. So, God bless sa mga kasagot ito. Please comment po ng sagot para malaman natin kung tama ba ang sagot nyo. Good luck and congratulations in advance.